continuance of our burping contest.
After burp, yeah.
The camera's gonna roll till
One of us do. Oh, I didn't know it coming.
It's not a throwing up contest, Daisy. You're playing with yourself.
Dude, that's not cool, okay? Don't make me laugh while I'm trying to make a burp.
Okay. I won't. Just swallow. It'll make you burp. You did the lip thing too. You do. Who doesn't do the lip thing like that?
You're not letting me burp.
Okay. It's almost like yawning.
Stomach hurts.
Okay, I'm gonna be the first one because I'm just good at this.
Keep going away. What happened? It's gonna be so long. Weak! That was weak! It's burp, 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 burp. We actually were drinking wine. It's only fruit beer. Now, this to you until you can do it.
Wait! Wait!
All that carbonation built up in my legs starting to hurt. Wait! They're all baby ones. It doesn't hurt going down a big ass bubble. Okay. Turn it to you.
She just puked in her mouth.
Fake. No. I gotta work again.
Why did we go to the side?
What will I bring to?
Guys from the opposite end. Nice.
Hey! No, not really.
Mine are weak.
I can't do it when I laugh. Turn it to you. Turn it to you. Turn it to you. You're slow. Turn it to you. I see your collarbone sticking out.
look like your best friend. Dude, you look so retarded. What are you on?
Acid!
You look like an alien from fucking outer space. Dude, your face is so shiny.
It's all the oil from where I work.
What is it, a new facial?
No. The oil from work.
What's that between your eyes? You're gonna stink. You're gonna stink so bad.
I'm getting chest pains now.
I'm
getting chest pains from the gas, the carbonation in the right in here. You look like you're concentrating, Daisy.
How did you get yours to sound so fucking awesome?
So that play with them. Peace out. Till next time.